Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees. Turn around and bounce.
Good morning. Good morning, my people. Good morning. Okay. So today I have a radio show to do with Nazi show. So that's what I'm getting ready for. Yeah, it's gonna be on Zoom. It's around 10 o'clock. And I decided I'm gonna do basically a get ready with me for the radio show. Alright, so that's what we're gonna do today. So the first thing I like to do when I'm doing my makeup is my eyebrows. I like to do my eyebrows first, but before my eyebrows I usually prime my face, but in this look I didn't prime my face because it was just 4 in the morning and I'll be at home, so I won't be sweating that much. So I do my eyebrows first, make sure they're even, and I'm using a brown eyebrow pencil right now. So that's me checking to see if they look good. Then after I do my eyebrows, I like to conceal underneath my eyebrows. So I think I already concealed underneath my eyebrow. Then I took out this darker shade because I have lots of white spots and dark spot, not acne scar spot, but like freckles spots. So I was trying to use a darker shade, but it looks way too dark, and you can see in the corner of my cheekbones it was way too dark. So I went for my regular foundation that I use, and instead of Fit Me foundation, it is, I think it's Toffee or something like that I'm using right now. So that's the one that I usually use. And I put it all over my face, put it on my cheekbones and all of that. Then I went for the dark shade I was using earlier, and just to contour where I want to look slimmer. So I did my cheekbones, which I already have eye cheekbones, but I like to do my cheekbones. And I did my nose. My nose is already long, but I like it to look a little bit more longer. I don't know why, but these are places that I usually contour anyway. And I'm looking for a different shade that match my tone, but not too light, where I put on under my chin and my cheekbones and my forehead. As you can see, I don't have enough makeup anymore because the kids. And yeah, and I haven't got a chance to buy any more makeup because I'm poor, so that's why. But I'm doing my lid with this shiny natural color, and I'm adding a little brown on the top of my eyelid just to make it look more deep, or give it a cat's eye kind of shape. And that was it. I literally did that very natural look. Also want my skin to look even and a bit pinky. So that's why. It was a very, very natural look, like almost like I'm not wearing any makeup. I'm adding my powder now. I'm adding my setting powder. And then on my cheekbones, on my neck and everything. Is this setting powder or pressed powder? I think it's a pressed powder. And I add 2 different shades of pressed powder. I'm gonna add my lip gloss. I was looking for my red lip gloss, but I found this orange color, and I was like, oh, whatever, I'm gonna use the orange color. Because I couldn't find my red matte lip gloss or lipstick. Couldn't find it, so I'm wearing this orange color. It looks more red on camera, but it's really orange. Anyway, and that was my makeup. It was very, very simple. Anyway, that's it. I'm going to get dressed. Look, as I said, I am already by Zoom, so that is really why I'm not going anywhere. I'm home with the interview. So it's about time. now I'm in the Zoom waiting area waiting. Basically waiting on the host. My phone is all set up here too as well. I just got in contact with her. She says that, what am I doing? Yeah, she says that she's logging in. Even though my face is showing that I've been waiting long, I haven't been waiting long. She was very personal and very sweet. So yeah. And as it says, waiting for us to start the meeting. Even though I said in the earlier clip that we're using Zoom to do the interview, and Zoom was having a bit of issue. So we got the issue sorted out, and so she came up and she was telling me that my camera and my mic wasn't on. You could see in the previous clip that my mic wasn't on. I just turned on my mic and checked if my camera was on. My camera is on. So I'm using a screen recorder to record what we're saying, but the audio wasn't picking up. That's why you're not hearing any audio.
Good afternoon. It's the Feel Child with Nazi Creative Show, aired right here on Roots 96.1 FM, the only station to only a creative talent. I'm your host, Nazi, and I'll be taking you through this hour and giving you some core information as we do each week. So welcome all my listeners in Jamaica and overseas and all my passionate youths. A pleasant good afternoon. We have so much coming up in the segments. It's an all-woman show this afternoon, and we're celebrating our women. For more special guest creator this afternoon is Bella Blair. She's a content creator and recording artist, and she'll teach you how to become both. So definitely you'd take out your notepads, because this is where you will learn. Bella Blair will give you some core information in this segment, so stay tuned for that. Also coming up is our featured entertainers, and our featured entertainers this afternoon in the double entertainment segment is Serene Rage and Carrie Lewis. They'll definitely be vibing up our set this afternoon, so stay tuned for that. And in our passionate youth segment, in What's Going On Youth, we have Roseanne Lawrence. She is a filmmaker and producer, so you want to stick and stay to hear much more from this show this afternoon. It promises to be very creative, very entertaining, and informative, so stick and stay right here. We'll be right back. Now we'll hear from filmmaker and producer Roseanne Lawrence. Good afternoon, Roseanne Lawrence, and welcome to What's Going On Youth segment. You are our featured person this afternoon, and we're definitely so happy to have you on the show. How are you doing, Miss Lawrence?
I am doing very, very fine. I'm blessed and highly favored.
Alright, so tell us a little bit about Roseanne Lawrence and what she does, and just tell us a little bit about you.
Okay. Everybody, I'm Roseanne Lawrence, YouTuber, filmmaker, and producer. I'm an assistant producer at the moment, but I do produce my own shows for my YouTube channel. So yes, I also write scripts, and I'm a very good artist. I like to draw when I'm feeling bored. Yeah, so that's about me.
And tell us about your filmmaking career that you have started. How long have you been in this field?
Okay, I've been doing it 3 to 4 years now, but I did study in college. Well, I studied media and performing arts in college. Excelsior Community College, and I did a little bit of it at Media Institute in Jamaica. So that's my background on it. But I've been doing it for 3 to 4 years now, and I basically love it. I love being behind the camera, in front of the camera. I just love the art field overall.
And what keeps you motivated in this field? To do a shoot every day. How you come up with these creative ways to bring these things to life across the screen?
What keeps me motivated to me is the end result. I love the end result. When you're doing it and what you have in your mind, and then you see comes out on screen, it's like you're creating your own different world. Seeing the people that you create come to. I just love the end result to see how everything plays out exactly what you dream or right now. So yeah.
Okay. And did you have mentors growing up that you look at and say, "Oh, I would want to be a filmmaker too one day, just like him or her"?
I do have a mentor now, but for me it was Paul Campbell and Archery. I love Dance of Queen. When I saw it, I was like, oh my god, they should have a Dance of Queen 2 show, a sequel to it and like that. So that was one of my favorite shows. Jamaican though was Dance of Queen, Smile Orange, and Lunatic. Basically every show that Paul Campbell came in, because of the quality of his shows, they were different than watching plays growing up. The onstage play that they record, he was doing filmmaking, he was doing movies, good quality. But I do have a mentor now. My mentor is Stewie Stu from BOM TV Network on YouTube. He does shows for festivals overseas and here in Jamaica. So he's my mentor now, and I'm his assistant on projects. When he goes on his project, I assist him and help me to learn more about the filming industry, and it's amazing to see what they do. And when I'm there, when I'm happy with the camera, or reading scripts out, or correcting actors, I just love it. It's just an amazing feeling to be able to be hands-on on a project.